Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through my newest brokerage listing. It's a 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the Glacier Green gel coat, heavy-duty rub rail, white graphics. So we've obviously got the hard top here, stainless steel windshield cap. There is storage canvas for the boat where you see the snaps, cockpit and bow. We've got the reboarding ladder that folds up into the starboard side swim platform, trim tabs and underwater lights. And now we'll make our way inside. Here at the transom on this 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage, we have the twin 300 Mercury Verados with joystick. We've got rod holders along the back. We've got access to either swim platform. Splash well just forward of the motors. The Verados have the top cowling service door, so you can check and change your oil with the boat still sitting in the water. We've got a freshwater sprayer as we enter the cockpit. Lockable, closable cockpit door. You'll see we've got the synthetic teak. This is the Aztec flooring throughout the boat. Stern seat deployed, really large stern seat. No exposed hardware, big thick cushions. Nice comfortable backrest. When this stows away, nice and clean. You get a nice padded bolster if you're fishing off the back end. And you've got bolsters on both sides of the boat. Tow rails on both sides. Raw water washdown on the port side. Battery switches are on the starboard side there. Got cleats, JL audio speakers, rod holders in the cockpit. Open up the bilge area. This boat was just detailed, cleaned up really nicely. On the port side, we have the lounger with a backrest that has multiple locking positions. So you can have varying angles to recline, or you can lay it down into a full sunbed. You can also engage this aft portion to face upright, lock it in place here, and now you can lounge facing forward. You also have a live well back here. It's aerated. There's a mount for a picnic table, so you can have opposing seating with the stern seat and the port side lounger. If I bring this backrest back up, I can access storage. Currently we have life jackets, throwable device, some line. These are suction cups for an aft shade kit that mounts up to the hardtop. Cup holders on the port side there, another JL audio speaker, stainless steel windshield cap. Here is our head area, porcelain vacuum flush head with its own holding tank and overboard discharge. Got a freshwater sink, hanging clips for towels or a change of clothes. Got a light and natural light from above. This boat does have storage canvas. This is a bow cover and cockpit cover combined. Down on the floor, we've got a ski locker that you can also store rods. Make our way back a little bit. Our entertainment section over here, we've got a Corian countertop. storage that drains, 2 cup holders, another freshwater sink on board, one of 4 freshwater sprayers on the boat, refrigerator, more storage here. There's a cutting board, dedicated storage. Large subwoofer. This boat has the upgraded audio system. Mount for a fire extinguisher. Here at the helm area, you've got charging ports, 2 cup holders, speaker for the captain, armrests, adjusts. This seat does swivel and slide, and it's got a thigh-rise bolster that raises and lowers. Helm area is well designed. You've got an angled footrest here with non-skid. Our ignition is by the throttle. Digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados. Those are the V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated engines. We've got a vinyl wrapped steering wheel, power steering, all integrated from Mercury. Aircraft style toggle switches for our pumps and lights. Again, the joystick, which also includes the skyhook and autopilot features. Large touchscreen Raymarine unit. Mercury vessel view display for all my engine data. Fusion Bluetooth stereo, auxiliary port, and USB port. Also got a compass and a windshield wiper. If I want to block off the cockpit area on colder days, I can easily do that with this door. Close the windshield. I've got storage inside the starboard console. That's where my batteries are located. Amps, fuses. Table is stored there. I can also access this space from the bow. If I remove this cushion, you've got a lot of storage here, and you can access it really easily for larger items. So beach bags, storage canvas, anything you're keeping in here can be easily accessed from either door. Really comfortable seating up front, good depth, bolsters throughout, cup holders on both sides, speakers on both sides. There is a filler cushion for this boat. You got a mount for the table up front as well. There's also storage beneath this seat. Freshwater sprayer up here. Windlass remote controlled anchor. Navigation lights. Cleats that are recessed in. So look at the hardtop. Rod holders on both sides, facing aft. And that is a walkthrough of my 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage listing. If you have any questions about this boat in particular, you can contact me, Carl Anderson, at MarineMax in Charleston. My direct line is 843-574-8289. You can call or text that number. And you can also email me at carl.anderson, and that's Carl with a K, at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.